Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to get no beard filter in TikTok. So this is actually a Snapchat filter and you will get it from Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat application. If you have not downloaded Snapchat, so download it from Google Play Store or App Store. Then tap on search bar and search for no beard. Tap on the first filter and here you can see it is downloaded and it start working. My beard has gone away. Now after that, record your video or take your photo from here and then tap on save option. Now it has been saved in our gallery. Now we can share it in TikTok. So hope you will like this video. So please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks, goodbye.